How to buy Pokemon token. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now before going on by this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following the updates about this token, and don't forget to check the Telegram channel too. As you can see, this token is available on CoinMarketCap. To be able to buy this token, click here to copy the token address, and as you can see, this token address is under the Solana network. Now open your Bitcoin wallet. For that, go to your wallet and select the Solana as a network. Click on this plus icon and paste the token address in the search bar. Now as you can see, you will be able to find your token here. Click on this plus icon to add it to your wallet. Now go back to your wallet and find your token that you just added called Pokemon. Now after you find it, click on it, and here click on swap, switch from here from the top. I will just go back and I will just find the token again that I just added called Pokemon. Now I will just click on it. Now click here on swap, switch from here. As you can see, now from the top, select the token that you want to buy with, for example, USDT, and here you can type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive that token. As you can see here, in a while you will be able to see it. So as you can see, now here click on swap and you will be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy Pokemon token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.